Hi friends, I am one of the students of Arch Krishna Vedic Solutions. Well, I joined in April. That was just like in the middle of uncertainties of this lockdown. This was in a way a good opportunity because I started looking at different virtues of occult sciences like palmistry, numerology, Vastu, graphology, tarot. Well, each one did agree to them, and one of those my friends shared a webinar link with me for one of those verticals. I believe it was numerology. Well, everybody, and subsequently from there I kept getting a lot of links for different verticals, and everybody agreed that astrology is the base, is one of the best thing on the ground to know everything. And all these are, parallels to it, or in addition to it, to strengthen it up. But the base is astrology, while everybody also told me it's very difficult, it's complex, and it's confusing. Well, so I was also in a way in a flux which particular one I should look for. From that webinar, I start getting a lot of links to most of these different verticals of occult. Now, luckily, when I was getting through all this, I got from one of my friends introduced me. That was everything coming from social media, from references, from friends, from many sources. So one of my friends introduced me to this particular institute of Arch Krishna Vedic Solutions. Now there I went ahead, took a initial class with a lot of apprehensions, because my only a part of my nature is just taking it without giving a thought over it, investing so much time, money and effort was not my idea. I wanted to evaluate, see what is right, and then go ahead. So astrology, even if I had some apprehension, scares, which was introduced by so many people, I went ahead and joined Archana ma'am's classes. Now there I was, to my pleasant surprise, I would say, there were a variety of students from all different levels. Well, I am being somebody who had no knowledge, no background at all of any of these. No no astronomy, no knowledge of tarot, palmistry or anything. Just a plain simple man. And there were so many people in the classes who were aware about it, who were already reading about it. But in those classes, one after another, I started realizing that I was never left alone. I was never, somebody who was finding myself out of this class or knowledge. Everything went just like from the ground. So comfortable, so involving, because the knowledge that she carries with her makes you feel as if everybody is at par. All the class, everybody is being so cohesively taken along from the ground, introduced to each and every concept thoroughly, and she would not take you to the next topic until she is confident that all of us are on the same platform, understanding it, the basic concepts, and will be able to apply it also. She has so diverse knowledge in her experience that during the teaching she will keep introducing examples and detailings which will keep making you connected with the subject. Trust me, initial 15 days, I feel I was totally changed since then. It just took me 4 or 5 days, and another 10 days down the line, I was totally different. Because I was eating, sleeping all the time with this astrology details, as if I've been part of it for years. It has been a real good learning experience. Today, I am nearly through with my basic. I'm mostly done. I am going to be the next level. And now when I look back, I feel such a comfort, satisfaction, and I really feel it has been enriched in me. Each minute of our class has been so valuable that we look forward to it. I've always logged into her class at least 10 to 15 minutes ahead of time because I don't want even to miss a moment out of it. And she is so dedicated. She's never been able to wrap up her class in another 2 hours or 1 hour or 1.5 hours or 2.5 hours, whatever we plan for, because she'll start addressing each and everybody's queries, satisfactorily replying to it, giving examples. That's really wonderful. And I surely say hats off to this lady with a lot of energy that she spends in each and every class. I really feel I'm very, very fortunate to be part of this group. And I would really and sincerely suggest everybody who listens to me should join it. Because this is the place where nobody's holding information for another penny or another amount. It is more to do with your knowledge enrichment, to be more familiar with this. And in a way, I feel she's doing a lot of service to this than at all she's talking of earning out of it. Thank you. Thank you so much for hearing me out. Bye-bye.